Mithali, I mean, Ms. Mutreja put some really credible points on the table. And everywhere we look, you know, the young Indians, of course, in that reproductive age, like Madam just said, they're delaying marriage, they're delaying parenthood, choosing to have just one child. So, on the Libra scales, on one side, you've got the demographic dividend, and then on the other, you've got agency, you've got education, you've got, you know, better contraceptives. How much of this is a lifestyle choice, and how much of this is actually being driven by economic pressures like housing, childcare, the education costs, and so forth?
No, absolutely, Kabir. Of course, I agree with ma'am fully. And see, the simple thing is, at the end of the day, we have been saying this for years. The career clock and the biological clock of women are totally at odds with each other. At the time when you are expected to go do internships, build your career, build your
Yep.
name for yourself in your industry, you are your most fertile. And then after that, when you are losing your fertility, then suddenly everybody starts warning you, oh my God, if you don't have a child now, you'll never be able to. See, at the end of the day, firstly, I feel like this alarmist attitude again should calm down because look at Deepika Padukone. She's having her second child at 40. She's a superstar. And she has, shown us that you can have it all. Of course, you have to be a superstar to do it. But on a serious note, we
And
need
quite rich at that,
workplaces
if I could add
and
that.
quite rich at that. Her
Yeah.
care economy is clearly working for her, but for the normal earthlings like us, what we need is for workplaces to start understanding that they are employing families, and for men to start understanding that if they don't pick up the work that they need to do in the house, then they cannot create a family out of thin air. Women are not living to service just the dream of a family any longer. Men have to put in the work. In India, currently, women
Certainly.
perform 5.6 hours of unpaid care work every day. Men do 30 minutes. So, very honestly, all of those rotis are not going to make themselves. All of the, diapers are not going to change themselves.
Yeah.
It has to now be a situation where men come forward and say, I want to enjoy having a family. And for enjoying a family, I have to pitch in to the work that is required to have a family. And I think that is the real change that we need in our society.
Certainly, certainly. I hope that the viewers do take on from that and that operative portion. Let's cut that out and put it out on social media as well. Mithali, many thanks for that.